Morning, sir. I'm Anusha, and the software tool which I'm going to explain is Workbook. Uh, Workbook is a powerful agency specialist project management software tool that's designed to power an entire agency's process. It's a full-featured project management software suite with project and resource management, CRM, collaboration and file sharing, forecasting, and accounting. If you're looking for any agency management tool to tightly integrate, manage, and monitor agency and employee profitability, tying financial closely with the details of the project, then Workbook is a solid choice. So, Workbook is an agency management software built specially for agencies and in-house teams. It is an integrated solution with project management, resource management, and financial management features to help boost productivity and revenue. It is smart and intuitive software that streamlines an agency's project and financial management processes to provide total visibility and insight to become more efficient, productive, and profitable. From sales and resource integration to finance and customer relationship management, Workbook Customs builds each system installation around the business workflows and processes to deliver the features you need. By providing the key performance metrics and real time business intelligence, Workbook enables the planning, organizing, motivating, and controlling of the resources so project runs smoothly from start to the finish. And with the added transparency in work processes, all employees know what to do and how to do it. So the features are getting full visibility into the project performance, managing the tasks and time, enabling the client collaboration, and full resource transparency. So, get full visibility in the project performance have the features like integrating the agency operations from end to end, providing accurate real-time visibility every step of the way, visual dashboards with filtering dimensions, and 300 plus built-in reports give you exactly the information you need. Managing the tasks and time. So, making the most of your day with the flexible task management features like Kanban boards and calendar integrations, integrating the task management and time entry so that you have more time to focus on the creative process and easily submitting the task on time and finishing the task on time with no job numbers to memorize and enabling the client collaboration, building a strong relationship by giving client and brand managers transparency via the client portal and making it easier for clients to submit job requests and view the product status, getting full resource transparency, making the strategic staffing decisions by forecasting your team's capacities weeks or months in advance and identifying when it would be smarter to bring in freelance or begin the hiring process, avoiding employee burnout and balance workout to protect the most valuable asset. So the other features may include like foster agency wide adaptation with the best practice configuration, including the role-based workspaces for every member of the team, consolidating your work stack by streamlining of the project, people, and financial management activities in one tool, and managing the tasks and entering time from anywhere. So there are three modules in the workbook software. They are the CRM and pipeline management, project management, resource and collaboration, finance and accounting. CRM pipeline and management. For a project-based agency, a pipeline is a lifeline. So it's no wonder that 77% of the agencies rank new business as the most important area of focus for their business. Workbook CRM module helps you to empower your client services and new business teams to nurture client relationships and build a healthy pipeline while supporting industry best practices that provide you with the insights to know what the business to pursue and when. Um, the workbook helps the users to manage customer relationships, build a healthy pipeline, and provide insights to identify the right opportunities. It centralizes team and client communication by allowing the users to save important emails and documents to the right client and the pipeline. They can easily enter prospects and manage the clients. Automated reminders help schedule activities and assign follow-up tasks. Other features includes leads and pipeline management, such as assigning probabilities and weighted revenue to the pipeline, converting a pipeline to a job, importing lead data via an open API, and turning insight into the action with the historic project data. Early in the sales cycle, the CRM module will demonstrate the forecast to give true representation of the signed businesses and potential businesses against FTEs and their utilization. They can easily submit the time when a task is finished or adjust timelines and tasks at the same time, altering team members when priorities change. Other features allow users to control the cost and manage the budget, as well as allocate resources and optimize employee utilization. So the benefits are the managing incoming work, maintaining a healthy pipeline, and bring in the better business. So in the managing incoming work, the benefits include that setting up a team for the success by quoting opportunities accurately and streamlining the project handoff, maintaining a healthy pipeline. So maintaining a healthy pipeline and prioritizing work with insight into how current and potential work impact agencies and the revenue. Bring in the better business, making the better decisions about which clients and projects to pursue and which are more trouble than they are worth of. And the features include that the managing the incoming work and enhancing a business strategy. So the features in the managing incoming work include managing the opportunities by entering the contacts, activities, and the follow-up reminders, saving the important emails and documents to the appropriate clients and the pipeline, building more accurate codes based on the historic project data, streamline project handoff by converting an opportunity into a job in the one click. So, enhancing the business strategy includes the features like getting the valuable insight on which clients and projects are the most profitable for your agency, and understanding which relationships to nurture and which are more trouble than they are worth of. And the second module is project management resource and the collaboration. The agency management software enables the user to manage project planning, resource allocation, and cost control while giving the foresight to spot potential problems. They can collaborate easily with the team and client by centralizing communication through the file sharing and feedback within the task or the project. Instant notifications helps them to be more proactive. Centralized communications also streamlines the review and the approval process. So the users manages the tasks and projects with the flexible tools like Kanban and the Scrum board. So the agencies say that some of the biggest threats to delivering projects on time, on budget include underestimating the scope of a project and not having the resource capacity in the house. That's why you need an agency management system that empowers and project management to build more accurate budgets, control costs, and build the utilization while supporting the best practices. They provide the foresight to avoid over servicing and make smarter staffing the decisions. So the workbook has been designed around agency workflows to make the project delivery robust and simple. You can create the jobs and tasks with a few simple clicks, assign members to the task, upload files, and create briefings, create piece codes. And if briefing is done, it can be pushed through an approval workflow on which your client can be included. This means no inaccurate briefings and non-billable out of scope of the work. By helping you control project and track profitability, Workbook helps keep projects on track. Workbook has made filing timesheets quick and easy, and with their timesheet or expensive report app. So the client communication is one of the key components of delivering your best work. Workbook's client portal lets you share Gantt charts, task process, briefings, and files. will also give you the option to allow the client to add new jobs and tasks in a system. So the benefits includes that the manage the budgets and costs, balance workload and the utilization, and being more proactive. So, managing the budgets and costs include the benefits like intuitive scheduling and project accounting features helps us to create better project plans, track costs, and make margins. And balance workload and utilization has protecting the most valuable assets and preventing the burnout with the real-time transparency into the resource availability and the capacity. Being more proactive is that avoiding the over-servicing of and scope creep with auctionable insights. And the features include manage profitability and control costs, balance workload, boost utilization, and collaborate with the team. So the features in the manage profitability and control costs include that monitoring the project profitability and controls in the real time, scheduling invoicing plans to ensure accurate and timely payment, and creating purchase orders within the job to track the third party costs. And the balanced workload includes that the assigning the right team to the every project and making adjustments as priority changes by easily reallocating tasks. And calendar and email integrations helps avoid scheduling conflicts by syncing assignments to the user calendars. Boost utilization includes that getting full visibility into the employee's performance by monitoring utilization and providing metrics in real time, making better decisions about the future resourcing and planning. Collaborating with the team includes that centralizing the communication by sharing the files and feedbacks within the task or the project itself, and staying ahead of the game with instant notifications of conversation activity or when the action is needed. And the final module includes the finance and accounting. So, in that, the workbook simplifies agency finance by integrating all their operations and sharing real time data from end to end. The tool connects the operational process and provides the users accurate real time project and financial data. They have full control of accounts, receivables, and account payables by allowing users to post costs to the current client or project. They can schedule reminders and notifications when the payments are due to the approval. The benefits include that the manage agency costs, forecast revenue and the cash flow, and accelerate the month-end costing. So the manage agencies and the costs include managing the invoicing, POs, and expenses so that you can be confident that your financial data is accurate. And forecast revenue and the cash flow includes getting more precise financial forecast by managing revenue recognition in the same system. And accelerating month-end costing includes when the project and the financial data are integrated. You no longer have to spend hours reconciling data from spreadsheets or the other tools. And the features include that the boost cash flow and manage working capital. So the boost cash flow includes the features like scheduling, billing, and automatically sending invoices to support timely payout, and integrating banking system to pay vendors and reconcile transactions automatically. And manage working capitals includes easily managing the precise cash flow forecast and setting up approvals to ensure the most accurate forecast data. So the advantage of the workbook software are it is extremely easy to use and it is user friendly, integrates well with all the processes. The disadvantages includes that the navigability of the software can be confusing sometimes and limited custom reporting. So it supports the languages in English, Dutch, German, and Spanish. So the finally the workbook was designed to give all the employees the power and insight so that nothing slips between the cracks and everything runs betweenly. So it makes easy to manage every task, client, and resource in the office or any of the project that we needed. Thank you.